Hello friends, today I am going to start a new video wherein I am going to summarize stories from State Board Bal Bharati English Standard 5th. And today we will summarize lesson number 1, What a Bird Thought. The poem What a Bird Thought tells us how a bird understands its world. When it is in its shell, it understands the world to be small, round, and made of a pale blue shell. When it comes out of its shell into its nest, it understands the world to be made up of straw. When it grows a little and learns to fly, it understands the world is made up of leaves. Now that it has grown up and can fly extremely well, it has left its tiny home, the nest, and the trees, and flies wherever it wants to. And when it sees the vast blue sky, the bird is unsure what the world is really made up of. Hence, the bird wants to find out from us what the world is really like. This is the summary of the poem What a Bird Thought. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope this video will help you to understand the poem very well.